Hello viewers. So let's see preparation for LaTeX. Which software we will require to do the LaTeX. So first of all, you will have to download MikTex, okay? Then install it. Then download any editor like TexStudio or TexWorks and install it. If you don't want to download any editor, you can also do online by using Overleaf. So basically this software you will require. First step is to download MikTeX. This is a distribution. So you install it first, and then lots of editors are available. You can download any editor and you can start using. But I would suggest that when you are starting when you are starting with the LaTeX, in the start you just see which editor suitable for you, and whichever is the suitable for you, you can start using that particular editor. So at least you download these two, TexStudio and TexWorks, and then decide. And if you don't want to download, you can do online also. There are lots of online editors are available. So let me show you how you can download and install it. You can go to Google and just type over there MikTeX download. So we can click on this second link, miktex.org. So it will open. Okay. So if you see here, MikTeX 2.9 setup, you can download it. You can click on this and you can download. So I have already downloaded this software, so I will not basically click on this, but its size is 234.43 MB. You can click on this and you can download it. Then let's go for the another software. Let's download TexWorks. From here, so click on the first link. So we'll get this particular page. What you can do, you can click on here and you will get the 16.3 MB. This software will be downloaded. Okay. Then for TexStudio, you can say download TexStudio. You can click on this first link, and this page will get open, texstudio.org. Download this from here. Okay, download from here. Click on this, it will get downloaded. So basically I have all the three software. I'll take you over there. So here, after download, we will be having this MikTeX, okay, then TexStudio and TexWorks. So if you click on this, first you have to install this MikTeX. So if you click on this, double click on that, one window will come. So basically nothing is there in the installation. You just have to follow default next. So first agree this, accept this, and then click on next, and just click on next, right? It will ask you for the path. You can select any drive where you want to install it, and just go on doing next. It will basically install this basic MikTeX. After I have already installed this, so I will not going to install it for you. You can just click next, and it will install it. Then install any of the editor. I would suggest that you install both the editors. Just click on this. So this is TexStudio. Okay. So it will ask you the drive where you want to install it. Select the proper drive and say install it. Okay. So it will install over there. It requires 350 MB space. So this software also I am having, so I will not going to install it. After that, you can install this TexWorks also. You can say yes. You can choose the language. can accept this agreement. You can say next, and then it will ask you the path where you want to save it, and then you can say just next, and this TexWorks will also get installed. So after installation, how it will look. So basically you have to check these two editors. Let me show you the TexStudio. So once you will start the TexStudio, you can search over here. After installation, you can say TexStudio, right? So this icon will appear. You can click on this and it will open a window like this. Okay. Here I have written some code over there. So basically the window is like this, and in this particular panel you will be writing the code, and after running the code, when we will click on this particular green button, after running this code, it will show you the output. Okay, here you will be getting the output. So this is the PDF, which you can, in the PDF format, you can save it also. So this is a PDF outlook of this TexStudio. Similarly, TexWorks also is there, right? So it will look like this. From here you can start a new file. Okay, so here you can write the certain code, and then after clicking on this green button, it will, right hand side, it will open the PDF, the formatted PDF according to that. Similarly, okay, so in the same way you are having the another software also. Okay, so many no editor softwares are available. So basically these two are the good one. So I would suggest that you download both the software, install it, because in the further tutorials I'll be showing you how to use these two editors. And if you want to do the online, then you can just go over there and click here, just search for overleaf. So I have searched already. What you can do, you can click on this. So basically this page will get open. Here just click on new project. So it will ask you whether you want to create a blank project or upload project. So I would like to create a blank project. So many templates are also available for the journals, book, formal letters, posters, presentations. Okay, this is very good website. From here we can have a template also. Just click on this blank project, say testing, give the name, and so it will open page like this, right? Here at this particular panel you can write the code, and after clicking on this recompile, it will show you the output of that. So this is how the overleaf looks like. So if you don't want to download any software, you can also do the coding in online by using overleaf. So there are lots of online editors are also available. You can have a look over there. So this is for it. uh, Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.